Precision measurement reinvented. Welcome back everyone. Today, let's talk about this new jelly digital micrometer.
1. Power on setup. Short press the first button to power on. Press and hold the first button to select the corresponding measuring range. The measuring range of this micrometer is 0 to 25 mm. 2. Relative measurement mode is entered by default. Short press the second button to reset the current reading and return to the starting value. 3. Switch unit between millimeter and inch. Four. Power off. 5. To begin, after powering on, zero the reading, switch to absolute measurement mode, and then take your measurement. Upon attaining the set value, the knob will emit a click and the reading will remain constant, signaling that it is ready to be read. Instruction for battery replacement. To replace the battery, carefully pry open the back cover using the spotter included in the kit. Once the battery has been replaced, use the spotter to securely fasten the cover back into place.
Measure with absolute confidence. The new jelly digital micrometer, where precision meets simplicity.